Do you know how CNC milling machine works? Machine is made by Zimmermann Incorporated. This is the 5-axis milling machine. The machine has an acceleration of 5 meters/square second and feed rate is up to 60 meters per minute. The CNC axis has a rotation speed of 360 per second. This machine has an axis length of 14 meters. This milling machine is suitable for dies and complex designs. The CNC axis has the torque of 1,200 Newton meters and holding torque of 3,000 Newton meters. It gives the highest accuracy. This milling machine is used for complex components of the aerospace industry. Machine get power from 45 kilowatts spindle and has a speed of 25,000 RPM. This milling machine is used in every industry from aerospace to automobile.